guys, and we are back where we left off. We are back sa vlogging, and because we are leaving tomorrow for London and Europe tour with PBA Moto Club Team Amazing. Back to vlogging din tayo kasi I've noticed na favorite nyo ang aking mga travel. So, we will show you the world. Let's go! Okay. Wala na bibihis. Boarding time! So, hello everyone! We're here and we're going to take off in a bit. See you. I'm getting my orders. I'm having some mimosa before our flight. So guys, after 9 hours, we are descending to Abu Dhabi for our layover. And then another 7 hours to London. Are back after 1 year. Ganda ng Abu Dhabi Airport. Meaning. I have a vlog. Hello! Nice to see you. In flight.
A few moments later.
Namin last year. And 7 a.m. here and we're about to land like a minute here. Yeah, perfect. Back in London after 1 year. Ito na tong ate ko. Sigurado mag-iinap din na naman. Iyak-iyak na naman to pag nakita ko. Yung kapatid ko na taga dito.
I love London.
Me too. I love London. Isn't it? Let's go. At ang lamig, it's 14 degrees here. Oh my gosh, thank God. Because it's so hot in the Philippines. And finally, we're back here sa first world weather. So, nandito na kami sa Heathrow! Excited na ang mami! Makakapag-banding kami ng 3 weeks ni Mother. At si ate kay makakasama kasi malungkot din yan dito kaya umuti na samahan natin. Diba? Yes, let's go! Woo! First world weather! First world weather! Kita. Ano sa'yo? Baho!
Pinagsalita mo lang ako eh.
O ganun.
Lahat ng anggulo, mami.
Asawa ni Kuya. multiple
Lovebirds! Hello! Good morning! Okay, so it's our second day and we're going to Stonehenge. And it's kinda 13 degrees here. We're going to ride the bus going to Stonehenge. So you have to pay 20 pounds to get in. But you can walk if you want. Pero it's 5 kilometers.
Why would you?
Welcome to Stonehenge. Welcome to Stonehenge. Welcome, guys. Ang bigat mo. So, kasalanan niya pa? Dapat ikaw yan.
Jowa ko siya, 80 lang siya. Pero ako, grabe.
Gusto din pala, gusto din. Ano yun? May bago ka? May bago ka po ata? Ganda namang pa dyan ah.
Ay,
Hindi kayo, libre mo ako ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay.
Kanya-kanya, no?
Hindi mo yan.
makalita na wala.
Bakit? Going back! Yay! Siyempre, magbabas kami, hindi namin kaya maglakad. Sobrang hangin, sobrang lamig. At ang layo ng CR. Ng CR dito. So, bago kayo umakyat, mag-CR na kayo guys. Dahil 10 minutes din.
Giants. Mga giants.
Kasi inaano nila, paano karoon ng structure na ganyan kung wala pa namang mga ano dati? Isa bigat ng batong yan. Paano naakyat?
Yung mga higante nga daw, kasi may nakita daw dati mga malalaking bones dyan ng tao. So baka daw yung mga higante dati nung unang panahon, before Christ, ayan na siya, ayan na yung Stonehenge na pinuntahan namin kanina. Si Bigfoot, oo, si Bigfoot, ganun. Hindi natin alam. Only God knows. Baka naman si God lang talaga. I-design niya lang dyan para ano, yung memory siya dyan. Okay, so we're going to have lunch. Let's go. Hey everyone, we are here at Uminoki, Fulham Road with Chloe. Pero dito pa tayo nagbabanding. Mas nagbabanding pa tayo dito sa ibang bansa. Kakaloka. Hi! So we're gonna try the Japanese restaurant here. This is so beautiful naman. Ang ganang landscape. Oh guys, let's go, let's eat. Let's go guys. Appetizer pa lang to pero ano na, palong-palo na. May edamame oh. Oh, edamame. Ayun na, kain na kayo kung gusto niyo. Tuna tatake. Nakain ka ba niyan? Yes. Si Ara. Thanks, Ara. Sarap. Oh my goodness. It's a sushi boat. Ay, hindi. Ano tawag dito? Maki. So, Daddy, try some. Oh, patingin nga kung mas nasarapan kayo. Patingin na mga reaction. Grabe yung presentation nila dito, ha? Ang ano, ha? Very... How was it? Very good.
Authentic Japanese.
In London. Fulham Road.
As you can see, daming tao.
Daming tao sila. Uminoki. How was it, love? How was it, love? Isn't it? Isn't it good? Naging Peppa Pig. Wala akong dalang gamot. Wala akong dalang gamot. Di ba may ano naman dyan, pharmacy. Ano ba? Anong gamot? Allergy nurse. Talagang pang allergy.
Regularity. Oh, binigyan ko din si Manuel, di ba?
Malapit na hospital dyan.
Salutin ko ako ng hiwaga ng iyo.
Ang hirap i-take out the Jack, papadal pa sa Manila.
Ano yung iniinom mo?
Brand ng electric fan.
Ano yan?
Asahi.
Asahi. Feels so right. Asahi. Welcome to Soho. Soho Hotel. Charot. Oh my gosh! Diyan kami nanood last year. Oy, ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Kasi last year, sobrang hindi kami makakilos sa lamig. Sobrang perfect ng weather. We are back, Balakubak. Chinatown. Oh, Chinatown. Chinatown! Uy, ba't nandito si Hitler? Ha? Ba't si Brutus? What? Oh, Pop Park! Hindi naman tayo mahilig dyan. Mahilig ka ba?